We just picked up our green new dill from the painters, and I say they did a good job. Absolutely beautiful in this Discovery one. Man, it's just a beautiful green. I forget the name of the green, but it is absolutely gorgeous. It just pops in the sun. Yep, AC blows nice and cold. Land Rover stereo works just fine. Obviously the heater works, but I'm not going to turn that on right now because
heated seats work as well.
And they do get warm. Yeah, no discoloration or anything to the mirror. Absolute phenomenal condition. It's got both front and rear sunroofs. Beautiful Land Rover Discovery one. Drives like a dream. Phenomenal acceleration. Anything else you'd add about it for us?
Just super smooth, like really nice driver. We'll take it down the interstate and show you some
yeah, that's a good idea.
Interstate speeds on it.
Okay.
This is just in town driving. We're doing about 45 in Utah's roads, which are full of potholes. The truck does have new tires. Just went through and redid the top end of the motor. We redid the head gaskets and complete tune-up, wires and plugs, oil change, coolant change, and also flushed the transmission.
And as you can see in the pictures, it's got seats that are actually in pretty damn good condition. They're all leather. They've got the nice lumbar adjustment on both of them. So
power windows.
Yep,
mirrors.
All the windows work. All right, we're on I-15, headed northbound from Kaysville, Utah, coming up on Layton. And
doing 75 already. Wow. Nice.
She's handling like a dream. It's really nice. And the drive shafts, no play there.
It's really quiet inside too.
Very, very nice.
Feel a little bit of wind noise, which is normal for a 90s vehicle, but so just about at 80, and we're at 80 now. Here comes 85, 90-ish.
Man, it is so quiet in here.
I love it.
Dang, dude.
I've never driven one so original.
No.
I've always driven modified ones. Yeah, we've probably been driving for half an hour now.
So, temp still staying right where it needs to be. All right, folks, there you have it.
99 Land Rover Discovery 1.
Running like a champ. Good family car. Good daily driver if you want it to be. Good off-roader.